Hi, welcome to TeluguOne Food. I am Chef Suraj. Today I am going to show how to make coconut slice cake. For making coconut slice cake, we need desiccated coconut powder, egg, sugar, butter and vanilla essence and milk. For making coconut slice cake, first we put egg in the mixing jar, then sugar and mix until the sugar melt. Now sugar is melt and add milk and mix little bit. After adding milk, add coconut powder. And add melted butter. And last add vanilla essence. Now batter is ready. I am going to remove from the machine and going to pour in baking tray. Now I am going pour mixture in the tray. We need to bake it 170 degrees centigrade for 35 to 40 minutes. Now I am going to put mixture in preheated 170 degrees centigrade. After baking and cooling, our coconut slice cake is ready to serve.